Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, power trigger trade, Sandro here. You know, I got a plan here for a VMC. So VMC is a great stock to watch. I will explain the facts inside the video. That's right, people. And as you can see, I'm going to talk about the targets here. So look, longer term, the potential here, and again, this is another stock that's interesting for a higher SPY. In other words, since April the 14th, I've been talking about higher SPY. I showed people the monthly charts. I'll show you the information inside this video. Yeah, but basically, I'm going to be posting a plan. So what does VMC need to do? I will explain inside the video the facts. That's right, people. So listen up. Basically, I'm going to post inside of PowerGroupTrades an entry plan for VMC. Now, the big picture is this stock is going to probably making new highs, but first I want to get to certain targets and then take it from there, right? And reassess the stock. But according to what I'm looking at, this building stock is a very interesting because again, more positive proof of a higher market coming our way. Much like I talk about Apple being a key factor and how strong it is, where all the stock clowns have been wrong, the big picture right from the beginning of the year. But not yours truly, Power Trigger Trade, Sandro, correct the big picture since February 11, 2016. I'm the massacre of I'm the new world order. I'm the new market guru, people. That's who Power Trigger Trade is. Everybody else are just clowns. Yours truly has been explaining the facts in a very logical manner, but in a unique manner. And I'll show you some more information. Come with me, people. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. If you happen to find this video through the YouTube channel, Power Trigger Trade, I'm on Twitter, okay, people? And I explain how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades through my live streams now, okay? And basically, you do want to, if you're seriously in following me and to become a subscriber inside of PowerGroupTrades, you definitely want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it's right over here, the link. Let me show you, people. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. We made some great gains already in BA. Oh, yes, people, Power Trigger Trade. Yes. Oh, poor stock clown. Oh, poor stock clown. Always wrong. No, stock clown shorting BA since 200. Power Trigger Trade. I've been making plans for BA since. That's why I'm the big picture expert. Everybody else, they're jokers. That Power Trigger Trade, yours truly. Anyways, people, listen up, people. Listen up, people. You want to study my created playlist. Listen to me. There is powerful information inside this channel. There's powerful, eye-opening information right in this video. Right in this YouTube channel. Very, very powerful. I will be the leader, market leader. It's a new era. You want to know why it's a new era? You check out SPY to 300, my SPY to 300 video. And when Power Trigger Trade is correct, I'm going to be decimating, cremating. Many so-called pros out there are going to be paying the brets. You listen to Power Trigger Trade, February 11, 2016. I'll talk more about that another time. But that's right there, a sign of who Power Trigger Trade is. All these are jokers, little clowns, little clown traders. Not Power Trigger Trade, big picture expert. Yeah, people. All right, now. So, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and study. Study my videos. Study the power inside of these created playlists. Study. Also, subscribe to this channel. So if you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. Like I said, VMC, I think is a great idea for higher prices. And also another stock that looks really solid based on my statistical measurement of another powerful reason of a higher market coming our way, people. So you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format right inside this video. You're going to see me speak to you right now, and that's going to be an easy way to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades.
You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like